Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Performe kahle kakhulu bafethu uNgcobo previous game for iKaizer Chiefs or ngithi igame yayizolo. Ngibona abantu baya-debate la online ukuthi iyiphi iposition yakhe uNgcobo. Abanye bathi uyi-central midfielder, abanye bathi uyi-10, but uyi-10 ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment angithi siyazi ukuthi uMduduzi Shabalala yibo aba-creative kakhulu. Funny enough abantu kusho ukuthi abayibukelanga igame ya-last week mos if baphikisana kanje online. Last week bekadlala i-10. Why ngithi bekadlala i-10? Bekangadla uMduduzi Shabalala noSirino Baba-2 bebasebhentshini. So mina ama-fans ayangimangaza bafethu. If songena online silo siphikisane based on ama-emotions. Ngibona i-post yomuntu la. Abekho aware ukuthi bedlala i-10 just a few days back last week lapha eCongo. So I mean u-creative yena kuba creative, ayiplayeli versatile but ke as i-central midfielder I think abaningi ngibona namanye ama-comment mina my favorite player if you've been following me niyazi ukuthi uThulane Touch Mabaso. That position perfect for yena umfowethu, perfect, angafitha like a glove. But ababelieve kuma-youngsters lapha na uKaizer Chiefs bafuna ukudlalisa i-experience noma kuthiwa i-experience yakhona ayinama-results at the moment. Udlala kahle kakhulu but I saw another comment kuthiwa bethi but uNgcobo better than uCele. Yes, is way better than uCele kule position le, because uCele, I spoke to even other people lapha nasikhuluma ngoCele, but uCele is not giving anything, like akashayi ma-assist, akashayi lutho, akekho advance. So mawune central midfielder noma isithi CM, yabona-ke lama position sithi CM, mawunoNgcobo, uNgcobo will give you that bit of creativity, that versatility, good pass of the ball, uyakwazi ukuya phambili, is comfortable on the ball. And then uCele, yes, uyaleka ukumaka, boba u2 bayaleka ukumaka. uCele-ke uWesi-ke yena ngaze ngabona uCele ashaya i-tackle, well maybe a few times angazi, but-ke isikhathi esiningi mayimaka uconsider lese i-foul. So uNgcobo uyakwazi ukushilda umuntu lese a-ede in terms of makumakwa, a-ede number, but like is not the guy who's gonna win you balls. But-ke he plays way better than uCele, because since isizini iqalile bafethu i-performance kaCele esikhulumeni iqinisa iphansi, ayifani i-performance kaCele. So uCele kumele a-improve ngempela, because he's given ama-opportunities especially late laphana boma second half bayamfaka ukuthi aholde i-game nanokuthi ehlise i-tempo of i-game overall. But hayi kusamele asebenze kanzima-ke umfowethu ukuthi akwazi ukuwina i-space sakhe back lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs. It's not gonna be easy. I think he's playing, he's getting those opportunities because bayalibona i-leader kuye, but based on ama-performances awuCele usemuva kakhulu bafethu. Awusemuva, kumele a-catch up ngempela this season, because even uNdlovu mayidlala laphana, you see the energy ukuthi uNdlovu all over the place, but uCele is missing that energy. And the sense of urgency uCele ayikho, not necessary ukuthi ngiyamblame, he's a good player. I think it was a good signing for him ukuthi ajoin iKaizer Chiefs, or it was a good signing for iKaizer Chiefs. He showed us ukuthi he could possibly be i-commander yalaphana esiswini seKaizer Chiefs, but at the same time amanye ama-games sewayamhlula this season. I don't know if it's a matter of confidence, but give Thulane Touch Mabaso i-opportunity bafethu nizobona. Kuma-big games kula enizombona futhi khona, ngeke akasablutho loya muntu loyo. I-superstar, i-born star, like uyi-natural in terms ukuthi abe laphana ku-central midfield, and is-super comfortable on the ball loya mfana. Manje ubhizi emajimini, angazi ukuthi bafuna ukuthi abe nomzimba kancane, but-ke what a play. I think uzokwazi ukuyisiza iKaizer Chiefs whenever is given an opportunity to play. But ngala ma-coach angeke ayithole chance, angeke ayithole, akakhohlwa. So ibamba la kwamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe.